Okay, we're going to see how the Dreame L10S Ultra does on these muddy paw prints. Now I have it going to do 2 passes. I've got it on mopping only mode and I've got it on maximum wetness. Okay, it's doing its second pass the other direction. It's doing a pretty good job. If it did 3 passes, it might get it all. But for everyday mopping, it's going to do a really good job. Now the idea is the mop pads are going to have to capture that dirt and then take it back to the base station and get washed off. And down here is where it's going to wash the mop pads. It's going to put room temperature water down there, spin the mop pads, and then suck the water up, the dirty water, into the dirty water tank. So here's the clean water tank. And it's going to auto empty everything into the dust bag. I do like that this tray comes out for easy cleanability if I had to.
Start charging. Start cleaning mop pads.
Okay, here it's going to clean the mop pads. It's going to put clean water down in the mop pads, and then it's going to suck the dirty water up into the dirty water tank. The Dreame L10S does a good job for everyday mopping. Some bigger messes, you might need to go over it 3 or 4 times. It did an okay job with obstacle avoidance. The corners, it doesn't have anything that can go into the corner and get all of that. But for everyday vacuuming, it did a really good job. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.